can easily create courses with Buzz. If you have the right permissions, you can create a course by copying one that already exists, or you can create a new one from scratch, or from a simple template. To create a course, go to the Manage Courses area here, and click Create Course. There are 3 different options that you have. You can choose to create a new course, copy from your domain, or copy a shared course. Create New will create a course from scratch. If your organization has a grading period template, you could choose that without having to create it within the course once it's made. When you're ready, click Next, and you will need to give it a title. You can give it an external ID. You also could choose the role if you have the options to do that. An owner will give you full rights to that course. Go ahead and click Next if you choose, and then you have the option to set a date range or make it a continuous course. A range course has a start and an end date, and you will set due dates within the course. A continuous course will not have a set beginning and end, and all the activities in the course will be pre-populated based on an algorithm. In either case, you can choose a term and a start and end date if it's a range course. Click Create. It will then show up on your dashboard. Let's look at our other options. When I go to create a course, I can also copy from my domain. If you have access to other courses, you could type in the title if you know it, or you can browse to other courses that you have access to. By doing this, it creates a copy from the domain. You might see any of the following options. A derivative sibling copy is the exact copy of the master or child course. This option works best when you want to make a copy of an active course in which students are enrolled. A static copy is an exact copy of the chosen course. Choose this option when you want to create an independent copy of the course. It will not receive any updates from the master once you choose this option. You can define properties like the title, an external ID, again, and choose the role. Same as the first, you can choose range or continuous, and then make those selections based on what you need. And you can see I received an exact copy of the course that I chose from the domain. Here's the first course that I chose, and I will need to create from scratch. The third option that you may have available to you is from a shared course. In a shared course, these are courses that you have access to from a subscription library. So it may not be from your domain, it might be from another domain that you have access to. The process works the same as the copy from your domain. You would open up the libraries that you have access to, choose the course, and follow the instructions that will be similar to copy from your domain.